This is the best salad recipe I've ever made. You'll want to make it today. I'll start by putting 2 cups of cooked brown rice in a bowl. Now I'm going to cut up half a cucumber. Let me know if you like receiving salad recipes and which salad you'd like to see here. Whenever I make it here at home, there's nothing left over. The whole family loves it. I add the chopped cucumber to a bowl. I'll cut up a cup of cherry tomatoes and then add them to the container. At the end of this video, please rate this amazing salad from 0 to 10. That way I'll know how much you liked this recipe. I'm now cutting up half a red bell pepper and half a yellow bell pepper. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a big hug. I put the peppers in the bowl with the other ingredients. I add half a cup of olives. Next I'll slice half an onion. Now I add the onion to the bowl and mix everything together very well. This salad is simple and easy to prepare at home. Add parsley to taste. Mix everything together again. In another container I'll add a crushed clove of garlic, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Now I'm going to mix this sauce very well. I can now pour the sauce we've prepared into the container. I'll add 50 grams of white cheese. Finish by mixing everything together. And the salad is ready, easy and delicious to prepare. Make it at home and come back and let us know what you think of this incredible recipe. Thank you for following us and watching us so far. Until the next recipe, and bon appetit!